Pranam to all. How are you? I hope you are all fine. It seems as soon as the air cools, signaling the coming of winter, garden centers began showcasing full mounds of brilliant yellow, red, and violet flowers. Chrysanthemums or mums are a staple in fall gardens. Mums are a symbol of fall abundance, and this herbaceous and hardy perennial is an easy addition to give a gorgeous pop of color in your winter garden landscape. To make sure that your chrysanthemum plants is healthy, or to get more flowers in chrysanthemum plant, you have to pinch in the growing phase, irrigate it properly, protect from pests, and proper fertilization should be done. Before we upload a lot of videos on chrysanthemum plant, there we tell you about how it should grow and how to plant it. But this video I will tell you when and how to apply the fertilizer and the best types to use. You must remove the dry, damaged and diseased leaves from your chrysanthemum plant time to time. Start the pinching when your plants are healthy and strong, and end the pinching at the first week or the second week of November. Chrysanthemum are the classic autumn flowers. Mums start blooming in late summer and last into the end of winter. So you must stop the pinching within the first and the second week of November. Plants' nutrition is essential to vitality and good health. It is important to provide nitrogen and potassium to chrysanthemum to get proper growth and flowers. They grow best in nutrient-rich soil. It is recommended that fertilizer is applied every week. Look, my mom found some birds in our plant. This is the last pinching we will do to our plant this year. If you wish, if you get birds, you don't have to do any pinching that time. In Delhi, winter continues till the last week of February. So we still have a lot of time to get chrysanthemum flowers in our garden. That's why my mom finished her pinching today, and all the birds that came, she cut it. Now I will talk about fertilizer. All plants require nutrients. Fertilizing your mums gives them an added boost of essential nutrients for the best growth. Growing chrysanthemum are heavy feeders. Consistent applications of quality fertilizers will help your mums grow larger and produce more blooms. So you can choose a balanced fertilizer for your mums. My mom prefers kitchen waste compost, vermicompost, or cow dung manure. You can apply the fertilizer you have. For more blooming, my mom adds banana peel fertilizer and mustard seed fertilizer. Instead of using mustard seed fertilizer, you can also use mustard cake fertilizer. Common pest attacks that happen to chrysanthemum plant are aphids, leaf miners, eelworms, etc. For that, you must daily bath your plant and apply 5 ml of bioenzyme with water and spray it on your plant. My mom believes in organic gardening, so my mom applies everything organic. If you don't have the bioenzyme, you can also use soap water and neem oil. If you like our videos, then subscribe to our channel and watch all the other videos. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you for watching. Bye.